Stop by and take a look at the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, Sirius satellite radio, cargo mat, power moonroof, heads-up display, luxury package 3. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.